Hello everyone, welcome to I Must Get Academy. Here is a recruitment update from the GAL Gas Limited. So the GAL Gas Limited is going to recruit for the fixed term under the fixed term employment scheme for the different post. Let's see the detail here. But before going to that, one very important point that they are going to recruit on the fixed term basis. So that's why this is not a permanent job. Let's see the details here. Now, the name of the post is Senior Associate Technical. Total number of posts are 72. The classification of reservation is mentioned here. For fire safety, marketing, finance and accounting, okay, and company secretary and HR is also mentioned. So, total number of posts are 104. So, total number of vacancies are 104. Now, when we talk about the essential qualification, let's see here. So they are going to recruit for the two posts, senior associate technical and junior associate is also there. For the senior associate technical, the minimum qualification is candidate must have a full-time BE or BTech degree in electrical and electronics, mechanical, production, industrial manufacturing, mechanical, automobile is also applicable, instrumentation is also applicable, EC electronics and communication is also applicable, civil is also applicable with minimum 50% marks. But one very important thing, dear students, that this vacancy is not for the freshers. So if you have a minimum 2-year post qualification experience, then only you can apply for this post, okay, for the senior associate and for both junior associate also. So for the marketing, HR, finance, it is mentioned already. When we talk about the junior associate technical, the candidate can have full-time diploma in engineering or a BE BTech degree in the same branches with minimum 50% marks. And here the minimum 2-year post qualification is required and the upper age limit will be 32 years. Okay, one very important thing that the upper age limit and the work experience should be applicable from the 10th of the April. So it is written the experience should be as on the 10th of the April 2023. Same for the age limit also. So upper age limit, as I show you already here, the vacancies are mentioned here, and emoluments, right? When we talk about the pay scale, it is 40,000 per month for the junior associate and 60,000 per month for the senior associate. Okay, other benefits will be applicable for you, so you can see here the details. Placement will be in the GAL Gas Limited, okay, and as it is mentioned, it will be anywhere in the India. Yeah, application fee for the it will be 100 rupees for the general EWS and OBC category are required to pay a non-refundable 100 rupees fees. Okay, and you can, how to apply? You can apply online only. So you can go through this website, which is galgas.com/careers/careers.in, and the online submission will start from the 10th of the March 2023. From the last date will be 10th of the April 2023. This is very important. You can note down this one. Now after this, when I talk about the selection process, so the selection process is actually based on the written test. I will show you here. Okay, current employment details are mentioned here. You can see the details. Now what is the selection process? For the senior associate, written test and a personal interview will be conducted, and for the junior associate, written test or skill test will be there. So you can go through the detailed advertisement, guys, and you can apply according your requirements. Okay guys, stay tuned to our YouTube channel.